Hey, it's Michelle from the Salty Spirit. So today we're going to learn how to create a beautiful wire wrapped sea glass ring. What you're going to need is a ring mandrel, wire cutters and flat nose pliers, wire, any color is fine, 20 gauge is best, and your piece of sea glass. Now the sea glass needs to already be drilled, so if you need to learn how to drill sea glass, yep, you guessed it, I have a video on that. So you can find that in the description. So let's get started. Okay, so let's go. I have about 22 inches of wire. So I'm using the gold wire. Here is my piece of sea glass with the 2 holes drilled. If you'd like to see my video on how to drill sea glass, you can check it out. Okay, so right now we don't need the sea glass. We just need the ring mandrel and the wire. So my ring size is a 6. So whatever ring size you're working with, you want to start one size higher on the mandrel. So I'm a 6, we're starting at a 7, and I get right in the center of the wire. It does not have to be perfect, of course. So all I'm doing at this point is I'm just starting to wrap around the ring mandrel, kind of like stacking below and above. See that? And it's okay if it moves around. Just make sure that right before you start to thread the sea glass through, you are right at that 7, whatever that size is, okay? And you're keeping it snugly. Now at this point, you want to look and just make sure you have at least 4 rings, okay? Anything less than that is just not going to be a solid ring base. Okay, so you know what, I might even wrap it one more time. So at least 4, so now I have about 6. All right, so now you kind of turn it upside down and you have those 2 pieces of wire. I have my piece of sea glass. I am threading each side through. All the way down. All the way down to the base. Okay, and again, really kind of pull it, make sure it's snugly. Oops, we slid a little high here, so let's go back down to a 7. Gotta make sure or else it's not gonna fit. Okay. Now, I press each side down, and I slide the ring off the mandrel. And from here, now, I'm going to take one wire and I'm going to thread it through the ring. Grab a hold. This is where your flat nose pliers come in handy. Pinch it and continue to pull it through really tight. Okay. I might even do the other side a little bit. Okay. Thread it through. Grab a hold of the wire. Pull it through. Okay. So now, here's kind of where we go into a design. You're the artist, right? So, I'm just going to bring one of the wires across, bring it under, bring it across again, okay? And then from here, I'm going to just start to wrap again on that side. You want a strong base. Grab your flat nose pliers, grab the wire, pull really tight, and do it again. This part is important because you want it to be tight and snuggly, and that is your strong base. And I keep wrapping around. Pull it through. I'm going to stop right there. Now take the other side, wrap it around, and again, it's up to you how many times you want to wrap it. And wrap it. And then again, I'm going to stop and start wrapping it around on the base. Pinch pinch and pull and wrap it around. Pinch and pull. So now what's going to happen is you're going to have these two pointy things, and you want to, of course, snip those off. Snip that off. Whoops. Take your flat nose pliers and press that sharp edge in so it doesn't scratch. And the other side, press.
And there is your gorgeous sea glass wire wrapped ring. Size 6, fits like a glove. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and I will see you next time. Take care.